Now, here we are given two vectors. We want to find the angle between vector v and w. Round your answer to one decimal places, one decimal place if necessary. One vector is v, which is 2i minus 2j. 2i minus 2j can be written as 2 comma negative 2 with sharp brackets. W is 3i plus 2j. 3i plus 2j can be written in this way. 3, 2. One is x, another is y. Okay. We know that by definition, the vector can be calculated, the dot product can be calculated in this way. Is the length of the first vector times the length of the second vector times cosine alpha, and alpha is the angle between two vectors. In this case, we want to find out is actually what the value of alpha is. Okay, so we put it right here. That's one way we do it. The length of vector v is actually 2 squared plus negative 2 squared, and then choose the radical. You will get length of vector v. Similarly, for vector w is x coordinate squared plus y coordinate squared. Choose the square root. So you then have a radical 13. Again, times cosine theta. Theta is the value we want to find out. Another way, by theorem, we can calculate dot product v and w is x times x plus y times y. So it's 2 times 3 plus negative 2 times negative 2. 2 times 3 is 6. Negative 2 times 2 is negative 4. So 6 minus 4 is 2. And those two values, this one, should be equal to 2 because they are the same dot product. We calculate that in two different ways. They get the same value. Now you know left-hand side is radical 8 times radical 13. Then we can basically do is what? Both sides divided by radical 13. Radical 8 times radical 13. Okay, both sides. You then cancel the left-hand side. You have a cosine alpha is 2 over radical 8 times radical 13. That's the value for cosine alpha. Then alpha will be cosine inverse 2 over radical 8 times radical 13. We'll get 78.7 degrees. How did we get that? By using the calculator. And here is the calculator. Turn our calculator on. And then want to make sure the calculator is in degree mode. Here is not in degree mode. Make sure it happens. Here is degree. You hit enter. Now degree is highlighted. So you know is in degree mode. And then you go back. Okay. Now cosine inverse, what is that? You know, here is cosine. blue is cosine inverse. You do second cosine inverse. Then 2 upstairs divided by, make sure you have a parenthesis. That's bracket, second radical 8 times second, that's radical 13. Okay, so this 13 is in the bracket, and we have another bracket which guarantee is the one here, which goes with that, and we have a third bracket, means this bracket pairs with the one right here. Okay, if we hit enter, we get 78.69. That's rounded again to 1 decimal places. See here, round your answer to 1 decimal places. So since we need to round to 1 decimal places, 9 is greater than 5, round it up. So it's 78.7 degrees, which is the number right here. All right, see you next time.